In this lesson, we are going to talk about passing by reference in C#. Now, you might have noticed before that sometimes your variable changes after calling a method. Why does that happen? Well, let's break it down step by step. So, the program starts in the main method. Here we declare an integer variable called a, and we give it the value 3. That means variable a holds the number 3, and let's imagine its memory address is 0x00. Next, we call the method sqr, and here's the important part: this method uses reference passing. That means instead of sending just the value of a, the program actually sends the memory address of a, which is 0x00. Inside the method, we have another variable called x, but since we pass by reference, x now points to the same memory address as a. So both a and x share the same memory location, and both currently hold the value 3. Now inside sqr, we run the statement x equal x multiply x. That's 3 times 3, which equals 9. So the value at memory address 0x00 changes from 3 to 9. And here's the key point: because a and x are pointing to the same memory location, the value of a also changes to 9 automatically. Finally, the program goes back to the main method and execute console.write. This prints out 9, not 3, because passing by reference updates the original variable directly. After the explaining, now let's see the real coding. In this script, we're talking about passing by reference in C#. So the first, we declare the integer a with the initial value 3, and to do more understand, we will display the value of a to the console. So I use console.write, and in here I will write before reference a this. So after that, we call the method sqr, and in here we will use the reference a, like this. So after that, we will display the value of a to the console. So we use and here we say after reference a equal 0. Like this. So now we have to create the detail for the method sqr. So we go outside the main method and we say static and void SQR. In here we will use reference and integer x like this. So inside in here we will display the value of a first. Console dot write and we say before calculation, we say that and x equal 0 x like this. So after that we do calculation x equal x multiply x this. So after the calculation we will display the value of a again. So now we say use console to write and here we write after calculation x equal 0 x like this. So now our program is complete. So now let's run our program by Ctrl F on the keyboard. Now let's see that the result will be like this. So what is this meaning? Let's see what is the meaning of this. You see that in the main method we say after declare the variable a, we use the statement console.write, so to display the value of a, right? So before using the passing by reference, the value of a is 3, right? So then we call the method, right? So we use before calculation. So in this time mean that the program send the address of variable a to x, and in that time the variable x receive the memory address of a and has the value is 3. So that's why the value of x becomes 3 as the value of a in this one, in this slide. And you see that after the calculation the value of x become 9, because you see that in the SQR method we do calculation, right? X multiply x, so the value of x become 9. So after complete the calculation, we show the value to the console, so it print the message after calculation x equal 9. So after complete the method SQR, the program go back to the main method, and if you print the message after reference and show that the value of a is 9, that's why. That's because a and x share the same memory address, and the value of x is 9. So that's why the value of a also become to be 9, as you see in here. So this is about how to use the passing by reference